I've just received information that in the last 24 hours in Maharashtra alone there have been 1,008 cases, 26 deaths in one day alone. Total cases in Mumbai now 7,812. Sahil Joshi joins us, our National Affairs Editor, Mumbai Bureau Chief. Sahil, very quickly, 1,000 plus cases in your state alone. Your Home Minister, who we just spoke to, said it's because we are doing a good job with our testing and nobody else is. What are you making of what's happening?
So there are two things. Of course, the Maharashtra is testing maximum, highest number of tests than if you compare it with any other state, including that of UP, who has the state which has more a bigger population than that of Maharashtra. But at the same time, the number of the cases rising in Maharashtra is important because the number of rise in Mumbai itself is 751 if you look at the numbers, if you look at the today's numbers. And what the BMC is basically claiming is that the contaminated zones, specifically Dharavi, Govandi, these zones which have been already contaminated, there the numbers are rising. So they say that they are able to contain the spread within the zones rather than spreading across Mumbai. That's what is the claim which is being made by the administration. But looking at the numbers, it's really scary because Mumbai is fast reaching to the number of 10,000 cases. Maharashtra has already crossed 10,000, has reached to more than 11,000 cases. And today's number specifically is scary because now the number of the rise in the number in 24 hours in Maharashtra is more than 1,000 cases. So that is the scenario which the Maharashtra government will definitely have to look at, especially when the country is going out for lockdown 3.0, where the green zones will be getting benefits of opening up little bit, whereas in Maharashtra the green zone is very limited.
Okay.
Out of 36 districts, hardly 6 districts are in the green zone at this point of time.
1,000 plus cases in the state and 7,800 cases by now in Mumbai alone is deeply problematic. I hope that people stay home, stay safe, because if this starts spiraling out of control, we will have a royal mess on our hands. So it's best to stay locked down in the hotspots, no matter how frustrated and irritated you are. That is in everyone's best interest. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.